Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel, The Art and the Artist Chandama. And this is Chandama Sarkar, as usual, hosting you all, welcoming you all to my channel once again. I am with a new time lapse painting time lapse video, oil painting time lapse video. And the topic is human as sea. What if the water bodies present on the surface of our earth were humans? Then what would happen? What would have happened? Water. So think about the properties of water. Water do not have its own shape and color or temperature. In whatever container it is taken to hold the water, it takes the shape of the container itself. Water do not follow any boundaries. For instance, water do not follow any boundaries even. Yeah. For instance, just imagine the place where the Pacific Ocean and the Atlantic Ocean meet. Water haven't created boundaries. In between, in between itself, by itself, in between, by itself, it's the color of the coral reefs that makes the difference visible. So, just like that, there would be no boundaries or religion in the human particles if the humans were signified or personified as sea. I have more to say. There would be no discrimination if the humans were water, or if the humans were signified as sea, on the basis of color, race, caste, gender, or inequality. There would be no discrimination at all. There would be no girl or boy, or no boy, woman or man. No individual would be suffering from poverty or malnutrition, as the sun would be providing the equal amount of light and food to the bodies, to all the water bodies, to all the 70% of the water bodies that we have on our earth. There would be peace and stability. Instead, I want to say that there would be no discrimination if the humans were portrayed as sea. But we instead of that instead of that we can find a peace, we can find a peaceful environment and stability in our mind. Humans are not stable at all, so stability would be there. There would be peace and stability as the water could move when it feels any kind of vibration inside the earth's crust. Hence, no harm to the earth, hence, no harm to the other organisms or creatures that the God particle or the God has made, or the nature had made any type of organism human could not hurt if the human were sea. Just think once we have had the properties of water. What if we have had the properties of water? Humans could not provide any harm to the organisms, to the biosphere. Instead, it would provide home to the enormous number of creatures. But we are not water, isn't it? We were born like humans. We are to see, we are to grow, we are to reproduce, we are to innovate, we are to do enormous number of innovative work, innovative activities that we want to do. The human can create a lot. But what we are creating, just think about that. What we are creating, we all are creating a disastrous development, disastrous world that nature has provided us with a very beautiful world, and we humans are providing instead of that. We are developing. Yes, it's true, we are developing, but we are not able to develop the sustainable environment or the sustainable development. It's okay to grow and innovate, but it's not good that we humans have so much potential to make a sustainable development by saving and taking care about many organisms that are helping us in some way. So why we are ruining the balance of biosphere instead of enhancing it? So kindly think about this and grow your steps towards a sustainable development, not only development. And save the mother nature. Please save the mother nature. So this was my idea, or this was the theme that I used to paint this canvas, used to paint this painting portrait. And if if you like it, and if you like this painting, if you find it very interesting and find it very enthusiasm like portrait, so please do subscribe to my channel and like, share and comment below. All the comments are welcome as well. And at the last, I want to signify, or I want to mention the brushes that I have used. As you have seen that I have used only one flat brush to paint the whole background, and after that I have used a 0 and 2 sizes round brushes to highlight the eye part and nose, means how to make the features, and rest of the part I have enhanced, or I have made with using a finger. So I am very you can use the fingers as well. Okay, it's very playful. I think that I play with the colors when I used to paint, or when I used to think or paint a theme that I have in my mind. So please protect your nature as in the end, and as your mother. Okay, Art and the Artist is signing off. So stay well.